When it comes to universal appeal, few cars bring it like the Ford Mustang. While a lot of its competitors placed an emphasis on speed, style, or some other singular piece of the puzzle, Detroit's original pony car did its best to be everything to everyone. And a prime example of that best all-around mindset is this charming 66 drop top. The beneficiary of a 3.5-year restoration, this slick Ford features a seamless layer of smooth red pigment that's been highlighted by classy GT stripes and sealed in a glossy clear. Those great aesthetics are the result of lots of labor, big money, and fresh Mustang barn floor pans. And today, the car rolls as a top-notch classic that turns the best attributes of Motor City history into glorious road trips and years of weekend adventures. Open the doors and you'll find a crisp interior that's clean, functional, and very attractive. A factory bench follows modern buckets that wrap exaggerated bolsters in color-keyed stitching. A correct wood-trimmed dash hangs 5 dial gauges above modern audio, correct pedals, and a modern Sun Pro temperature gauge. A polished shifter serves a long console which floats on light new carpet, and the driver grips a correct wood-rimmed steering wheel with speed-drilled spokes. Keep it simple is a good philosophy when it comes to performance and reliability. And the builders of this top-notch Mustang did exactly that by bolting a familiar 289 under the car's long red hood. And a rebuilt Cruise-O-Matic 3-speed drives a rebuilt Ford axle. When it comes to maximizing the amount of metal your money buys, you simply cannot go wrong with a timeless pony car. Thanks to its thorough restoration, this awesome Ford is a great driving piece that's fun, historic, and reliable. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.